Hello to all my friends out there. And this is a $1 steak from Dollar Tree. And this is some mashed potatoes instant. So here is the chopped beef steak wrapped in bacon. So what I did was I had this before with the chicken, and you want to make sure you get your bacon done. So I fried my bacon around the edges a little bit in a little oil, and then I baked it. You know, here's the instructions. Okay, let me taste it. I will tell you. If I like it, I will tell you it's pretty good. If I hate it, I will tell you I hate it. I never want to eat this again. Let me see. Okay, that will do. You know how many times when I used to be really broke did I wish I could go out for a steak dinner? This is actually pretty good. I'll tell you what I did that probably made it better. I sprinkled it with a little steakhouse steak and chop seasoning. I got at Dollar Tree. You can see it on there if you take a close look. And I sprinkled it with a little crushed red pepper, just a little bit, and some black pepper. That's my black pepper. I gotta get some pepper. I do not like this pepper. Okay, so you know I've been eating 2 meals a day, and I think I discovered one of the causes of overeating. By the time you eat your meal, you're starving. You know, your meals are bigger because you're hungry. After you start doing this 2 meal a day thing, you start eating less because you're not very hungry. Okay, and I bought some green beans. I have about a kip. And I bought this tea, decaf mandarin orange tea. And you know, now I'm buying fruit. So I stuck some orange slice in there. This is good. I had this before. You know, the lemon tea and the orange tea, just, you know, the fruit teas, I wasn't a tea drinker. And so on this tea, I want to add sugar. Because now, you know, since I'm going off of the Diet Coke, I'm having heavy laden sugar drinks because I don't want to go back to the Diet Coke. Okay, that is good. You got to try that. Okay, and here's my cookies to go with my tea. And I bought these cookies for $1, 11 ounces. So, you know, this goes, a long time ago, I did a video, buy the big size. Why buy cookies 3.5 ounce package? Buy the 11 ounce package. And then these are good, especially if you have kids, 11 ounces. And here's another shot at the steak. And I bought the green beans at Albertsons, and here's the mashed potatoes. I keep those in the stockpile. And I have the steak sauce. I bought at Dollar Tree. And back here is evaporated milk that I mixed up yesterday. Okay, so here's my little meal. It's a good little meal. And so I want to give you my new vegetarian recipe. Okay, I will be making this. You brown a flour tortilla in a dry pan. You put 1 layer of hummus, cooked sweet potatoes, black beans, carrots and green beans, and avocados. That's it. I'm going to try this. I got this from a lady in the grocery line, and I get the best recipes that way. You know, I ask them and they tell me. So, I think this is going to be a good vegetarian burrito. I will be making this within the next few days. So here is dinner number 1, and God bless you all.